Hi everyone and welcome back to another trading day. I'm Johan Malan and today, Wednesday 13 December 2023, I can only have a few trade setups to discuss, where my favorite direction will be long on the US, the Swiss franc, the yen, and short on the New Zealand, the Aussie and the euro. First pick of the day is a potential long on gold, but before we proceed, remember that trading carries risk and never trade with money you cannot afford to lose. And at the end of this video, I will show you my favorite trade idea for today. So let's get started and turn pips and points into profits. Gold, although the dollar is strengthening, I'm keeping it on my watch list. As long as the dollar is up there, I will not easily go into any long or buy position on gold. But I've identified yesterday morning this level and another one this morning coming in here at the 1965 levels and then the 1950 levels. These are the two big zones. If gold breaks below those two zones, I think we're in trouble with gold if you're a gold bull. But for now, these two levels should hold unless the dollar pushes really up to the first spot up there, which I highly doubt at this stage. But it is bouncing now. What worries me still is that it comes down in big black candles and then rises in small candles. But the black candle started to get smaller here, and well, there's 3.5 hours left of this candle. We will see what happens with this at around 12 o'clock. It haven't hit the levels yet, so I'm not keen on buying yet. So I'll just sit patiently and wait for potential longs here at these two levels. Then the Euro Swiss, we took this trade yesterday. The rising wedge we tested yesterday afternoon at 4 o'clock. I have it all on the live stream, guys. If you want to follow the trades, you can watch the live stream and just have a look every hour or 4 hours that you can see when I take the trades. We had a dark cloud cover there, and since then you still have chance to get into the trade. There's plenty of bars after that. There was chance to get in on the halfway mark there, which is a natural resistance level down to this level. So we're still at entry. So anybody that haven't entered the trade yesterday can still do so. Well, by the time of recording this video. So Euro Swiss, definitely Euro Swiss, it's getting one of the favorite pairs. Euro, I can see it against some currencies, it's gaining some strength, but Swiss is holding very strong up there. So let's hope we can get a nice big one from this. I can't roll the stop loss yet. I have set the targets and the stops, guys, based on the live stream yesterday. You can all get the stop losses, the targets and everything there. Just connect to the live streams. You can watch yesterday's late one and you will see the trade there. Or you can watch the one for today and just keep track of your trades, or of my trades for that matter. And the Aussie yen yesterday also on the list. I can now widen this zone slightly to that high there also. Right, that high, pick up there. And this would get me into shorts, providing I can get it to go back up there and get some candle reversal. Aussie very weak everywhere. And against the yen, well, it should be a good candidate for some shorts. New Zealand cat, flashing up and down the New Zealand, fighting with the cat and the dollar for position here, but it's coming down nicely at this stage. The Fibonacci retracement of this last two swings here is between the 50 and 61. Nice structure coming in there. So if it gets back up there today, I'll then look for shorts. It's FOMC meeting tonight, so I don't think we'll have that much action, but at least we could get something. We're in the Euro Swiss, so we don't need more trades, but if it gets back up there, I'll get interested. Then the Aussie Swiss, Aussie much weaker than the Swiss. And everywhere the Aussie gets hammered. So it's turning into a real big black sheep here in the market. So if we're lucky enough that before tonight that it retraces up there and then get a counter reversal there, I'll then look for some shorts there. Then my favorite trade idea for today is a potential short on the Euro US. But first, please let me know in the comments below if you want me to make any specific educational videos for you. Also, if you are new to the channel, find this video helpful, you can support the channel by giving this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so I can keep making content like this. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell to ensure you don't miss out on any of my daily trade idea videos. Then back to the Euro US, the Euro much weaker than the dollar. Dollar trying to gain, it's pushing. So nice rising wedge. Consolidation here. So at this stage, guys, I'm just looking purely for a break and a retest and then a counter reversal then I look for some shorts. But we've got the combination of a very weak euro, quite a strong dollar on the short-term and medium-term side, plus we've got the potential of a rising wedge, which is a very bearish pattern. So if I can get this to break, have a 4-hour close below, and then retest back the pattern, and then reverses, then I'll take some shorts. But trading isn't just about my insights, guys. I want to hear from you. Drop your questions, share your experiences, or tell me which trading opportunities you're eyeing in the comments below. I've been trading since 2003, and if you are eager to take your trading skills to the next level, check out the link in the description to join my mentorship program. You can support this channel by opening a trading account with a trusted broker from the link in the description, which I have been using since 2010. Thank you for joining me today on this trading journey. Don't forget to trade responsibly, and I can't wait to see you in my next video. Until then, trade well.